Are you struggling to set default values for fields when creating a new Wagtail page? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers. Today, we're going to tackle this issue head-on and find a solution together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to create a new page and the parent page information just isn't available. It can feel like you're hitting a wall. But don't worry, we're going to break this down. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, how can I change a field's default value based on the parent page when creating a new Wagtail page? They mentioned that while editing existing pages works fine, creating new ones is a different story. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's the issue here? When creating a new page, the parent page parameter is empty, which makes it impossible to set default values based on it. This can be particularly tricky if you're used to working with existing pages where the parent information is readily available. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can streamline your Wagtail page creation process significantly. To address the user's issue, we need to override the Wagtail admin form for the new page creation. First, the user should create a custom form that extends the existing Wagtail admin form. Next, the user should modify the init method of the custom form to accept the parent page as a parameter. This will allow the user to set default values based on the parent page's attributes. Now the user needs to ensure that this custom form is used when creating a new page. This can be done by overriding the createView method in the page model. Finally, the user should test the implementation by creating a new page under a parent page. They should verify that the default values are set correctly based on the parent page's attributes. Fun fact, Wagtail is named after a bird that is known for its agility and adaptability. Just like the Wagtail CMS, you need to be agile in your coding to adapt to challenges. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution involves creating a custom page form in Wagtail. First, define a new class that inherits from Wagtail admin page form. In the init method, you can access the parent page and set initial values for fields when creating a new page. This approach requires Wagtail version 1.11.x or later, as earlier versions do not provide the parent page parameter during form initialization. This allows you to customize the form for new pages effectively. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative solution involves using Wagtail hooks. Specifically, the user suggests registering an after-create page hook. This allows you to access the parent page after a new page is created. In this example, the parent page's title is retrieved and assigned to the new page. This method updates the record after the page has been created, rather than during the creation process. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always validate your parent page before trying to access its attributes. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to set default values based on the parent page when creating new Wagtail pages. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.